Brain test game solutions level 181 to 200. Level 181, what is the 50% of 55? So the real answer would be 27.5, but we can't press that. So let's divide 55 into half, so that the half of 55 is 5. Level 182, end this war. So let's press onto the cannon so that they face each other. So when they fire, the ball is neutralized. Level 183, help me carry this box to the dolly please. So tilt your device onto the right so that it comes down. Again tilt it once more and complete this level. Level 184, you got caught speeding, oops. So let's see what I find over here. So give him your food to make him happy. Level 185, Tom is hungry, catch that mouse. So drag the mat upwards so that the mouse slides towards the cat. Level 186, I declare that today is your birthday, pick a gift. Let's see what they have for me. Nothing substantial. Let me press onto the gift down. Nothing over here. So I will press into the gift, the word gift written in the question itself. Thanks for gifting me such a good thing. Level 187, I hate math, get rid of this number. So 1 is ONE. So let's add G to it. So it becomes gone and get rid of number 1. Level 188, find the pairs and win the game. So let's start. Okay. Lucky over there. Okay, so here now you divide the carrots into half by just simply swiping it and then press on them together and win. Level 189, I saw this riddle on Reddit, where is the bull? As we all know, bull gets attracted towards the color red, so use the word red in the question itself to lure the bull out. Level 190, correct the equation please. 4 plus 5 is equal to 19. So as we know, 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. So simply erase the 1 by swiping on it and you complete this level. Level 191, I hate this. The baby is crying again. Stop this scream. So use the word I at the beginning of the question and combining it with the scream at the end of the question to make an ice cream for the baby. Level 192, click on green 3 times, blue 10 times and red 5 times. So let's start doing as mentioned. 1, 2, 3. Blue 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. As you can see, some numbers are skipped. So do not get distracted by the numbers on the right. Just simply click blue 10 times and then red 5 times and complete the level. Level 193, when I was 6 years old, my sister was half of my age. That means sister was 3 years old and my brother was twice of my age. That means brother was 12 years old. 5 years later, what is the sum of my siblings' ages? So 5 years before, the siblings' ages were 3 plus 12, that is 15. And 5 years later, we need to add 5 2 times. That means the combined ages are 15 plus 10, that is 25. Level 194, how many circles are there? So as you count the circles, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 circles and 2 circles denoting the minus and the plus sign next to the 0 number. So that means there are total 7 circles. Level 195, your pets are drowning, which one will you save? So we need to save all 3 of them. So click on all 3 of them together and save them. Level 196, such a moody weather. So let's change the weather by dragging the picture of the sunny weather from the frame. Okay, doesn't fit in, so expand it so that it fits the window. Level 197, complete the equation correctly. It's quite simple. Just drag these numbers over here and we get the correct equation. Level 198, our dog is so dirty, clean him up please. So let's first clean him with the water, then shake your device to dry him up. Level 199, they all need some warmth. So we can see the bonfire over here. When we bring him next to the person on the left, you can see him zzz. Okay, so we have to place it in the middle such that all four of them are zzz. So once all four of them zzz, they all are asleep. So place it in the middle. Right now only two of them are. Let me find the midpoint, and yes, now all four of them are asleep. Level 200, what is under the tree? So there are too many trees, but it's mentioned singular tree. So let's drag the word written in the question itself out and see that the cat is under it.